Apple's next iPhone 17 series is expected to provide some of the most significant upgrades in years, and much of the hype is around the camera. One of the most intriguing speculations says that the main lens will have a variable aperture, similar to what Samsung introduced with the Galaxy S9 and Xiaomi has employed in its latest extreme models. This technology enables the lens to automatically adjust to changing lighting conditions, offering users greater control over depth of field. Simply put, it would improve the separation of the subject and background in images, making them appear more professional. However, it is unknown whether Apple will introduce this function in the iPhone 17 Pro or save it for the iPhone 18 series. There are no big modifications planned to the ultra-wide lens, as Apple has previously improved it to 48MP in the iPhone 16. However, the telephoto lens could see the most dramatic increase, going from 12MP to 48MP. This would mean that for the first time, all three rear cameras on an iPhone could be 48MP, creating a genuine triple lens powerhouse. Additionally, Apple may implement continuous optical zoom across several focal lengths. If this occurs, the iPhone would face more competition from phones such as Vivo's X200 Pro and Xiaomi's 15 Ultra, both of which are recognized for their portrait and zoom capabilities. With all three cameras potentially upgrading to 48MP, Apple is also well positioned to deliver 8K video recording. Samsung introduced 8 Kelvin to the Galaxy S20 in 2020, putting Apple around 5 years behind. However, the advantage of seeing in 8 Kelvin is not always clear. Most folks don't even have 8 Kelvin monitors. It's all about adaptability. Interestingly, a recent rumor regarding 8 Kelvin proved to be a misinterpretation, with the number relating to iPhone pricing in Chinese yen. However, the thought of Apple supporting 8K video currently appears extremely realistic. Along with this, Apple may add another camera control button on the top edge of the phone. The current button has not been well received, with many users complaining about inconvenient placement, unintentional pushes, and shaky photos. Moving on to battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is likely to have the largest iPhone battery ever, at roughly 5,000 mAh. That's a 9 to 10% boost over the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.